Good day folks, welcome to my how-to's videos, and today we are going to learn on how to crop and outline our photo using picsart. And if you haven't downloaded the app, just go to Google Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Once it's downloaded, just light touch on our app like that and then click on Start Editing. And once you're here, just scroll down and click on Create New. And you can see the top arrow sign with the white background. Just click on that and click on Edit Image. And here you can see the app's features: gold, tools, effects, beautify. And when you slide it like this, hold the screen and slide, you can see more of it. And today we are just going to click on Add Photo. It will bring you to your photos gallery. And just click on the photo that you like to crop and outline or highlight a photo. And once you've selected a photo, just click on Add, and we can click on Cutout. And click on Person, and click on Save. And you can now put a border. And we can also choose what color of the border we would like to use. Ta-da! It's done. And once I've chosen, I'm going to adjust the lighting of my photo. We can put contrast, brighten up. And once I'm happy, I'm going to click on Apply, click on Next, and click on Save, and click on Download Photo. So once we click that, it will be saved on your device, and just click on Done. And when you go to your photo gallery, it will be popping it right here. So that's it folks. I hope you have enjoyed my how to crop a photo and put an outline. See you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make a comment. That would help me a lot. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Huh?